Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Google Fit app on your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then, search for Google Fit. There, you can see Google Fit, Activity Tracking by Google LLC. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app, depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the Google Fit app. Then, enjoy using your activity tracking to help you with your fitness journey. That's it for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, do like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, comment down your thoughts on this video. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.